Hello everyone and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. And of course don't forget please to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about these signals that you are receiving on YouTube. The channel name is Xtreme Gold Signals and you can just simply find the link in the description below of this video and you can get to try our VIP signals channel on Telegram where we actually sending gold signals, and thankfully we did this week I believe better than last week. So again guys, these are the updates as you can see right here. I was sending here notifications about the last signal which I have sent yesterday on the gold, so make sure to receive these updates by simply joining our channel again right here. So I have to admit something. The analysis yesterday was not really the best because I did a mistake actually by trying to sell right on the previous level of a resistance at 4060. I actually thought that the market will continue the fall below this resistance, but that didn't happen. Selling at this point was actually not the best idea. I have to admit that. And right now, I actually hope that the next idea is gonna be better. But again guys, remember, we never promise any profits. We just do the best we can to analyze the gold. It's just getting more challenging than ever. So let's now start with the weekly chart to make sure that this deal hopefully is gonna be a good one. So as you can see, based on weekly chart, what we can see right now is actually a broken level of a resistance trend line that already has been retested right here, became also a new support trend line. That's the reason we can see right now the gold is rising upon the pressure of this level of a previous resistance trend line. How did I miss that? I have no clue. Next, based on daily chart, currently the market right now actually retesting the broken level of a resistance at 4060, and as you can see right now, last daily candle has a close as a pin bar and the next candle seems to be bullish. Therefore, in my opinion, the gold has only one direction to go, which is going to be to the up, of course, and is going to be to the rise, and most likely will continue the rise till it retests the broken level of a support right here at 4216 before it makes any moves further. It actually has a good chance to even make a bullish breakout from this level of a previous support. But however, until then, I would consider to continue buying the gold till it reach that level of a previous support. Now moving to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, what we can see right here is actually multiple tests of the support right here at the bracket of 4100. As you can see, even we had here these two pin bars indicates, of course, a pressure from the buyers to push the market to continue the rise. Now the gold right now is actually facing a resistance zone. It's facing here a resistance zone exactly at the bracket of 4147. That means right now here we can expect a pullback to happen, and that will be actually our idea to start buying the gold. Now let's move to the 1-hour time frame. Now based on the 1-hour time frame, I would like to even move to the 30-minute time frame to make it more easier and more clear actually. So right now, based on the 30-minute time frame, let me just make sure it's clear. 30-minute time frame, what we have right here, my friends, is actually a broken resistance trend line, as you can see, just like that, and also a broken support trend line. So meaning we have here entirely a broken structure or a triangle. So in my opinion, that will be actually the best level to consider re-buying the gold again once it actually falls a little bit more down, retesting the broken level of a resistance trend line, and from that point most likely it will continue the rise. So how to find the best level to start buying? By simply connecting the Fibonacci retracement right from this high to this low right here, as you can see. As you can see right now, it actually indicates to Fibonacci 61.8, and that, my friends, has got to be our next entry to consider buying the gold at let's make it actually at 4110. Hopefully it's going to be, of course, a good deal, and if we do, we can actually hold the trade till it reaches the previous level of a support at 4071, and that actually is going to be our stop loss, which means it's going to be around 418 pips only. Meanwhile, our TP in this case has got to be right here at the previous level of a real support, as we can see right here, which we have talked about on the weekly candle, on the daily candle. That's going to be our next TP by actually aiming around 1130 pips, hopefully, of course, with this signal. Let me know, please write it for you. And that will be, my friends, our updated signal for the gold, and hopefully this time is gonna play well. Again, guys, remember, gold is really giving us a lot of challenging right now. We're really hoping for the best, and hopefully this signal will play better than the last one. Again, I never promise any profits, and I hope I will not lose confidence in myself. But again, I'm just really doing the best I can. There, of course, has been some really rude comments abusing me of scamming, but that's really unfair. Because again, as I told you guys, we are really doing everything possible we can. With the DXY, we are doing well. Even if I go to the other charts, which we actually analyze every week, EURUSD actually was going well so far from the weekly analysis. Even the pound USD so far going also in profit. AUDUSD also going in profit. USDCAD also, sorry, it was actually USDCAD has failed. USDJPY actually reversed from our buy area and hit the TP, making over 140 pips of profit. Bitcoin actually was going in profit so far. So as you can see, we are doing the best we can, but only struggling with the gold. So again, I really hope I will never lose your trust in Xtreme Trader. We are really doing the best we can, and hopefully we will achieve the best results together. Gold, guys, is getting challenging, and we have to always be careful and wise about our trades. Don't go big lot sizes, and consider that this signal might also fail. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.